Dear Exec, the weather seemed like good letter writing weather, so I thought I'd drop you this quick note. I know that when you're standing in front of a crowd, you want to seem confident, you want to seem certain. But when you say things like such and such a genre is dead, you are inevitably going to be wrong. In this day and age, no genre ever dies. They may fade into the background, but they never go away completely. So when you say storytelling games are dead, all that's going to happen is within the next 12 to 18 months, someone's going to come out with an award-winning storytelling game and it's going to make you look like an idiot. And maybe that game won't sell that well, and maybe you feel like your point's still true, that this kind of game isn't economically viable. But that's not what you said, is it? You said storytelling games are dead, role-playing games are dead, sim games are dead, sports games are dead, single-player games are dead, and you're just going to be proven wrong. And that wasn't the point. You wanted to look confident. You wanted to look certain. So being certain and wrong doesn't do you any good. You're better to stick with language that lets you talk about positives. Shooter looters remain a strong and vibrant genre. We believe that players are looking for more opportunities to engage with our products after they come out. We believe in providing experiences that let players play with other people. You can't really be proven wrong with statements like that, and they still let you express that confidence, express that certainty. Ultimately, this is about speaking in absolutes. If you say that a genre is dead, that's an absolute. Death is an absolute. If you say, on the other hand, that some players like microtransactions, that's probably true. Some players do. And even if I'm a player who doesn't, it's hard to argue with a statement like that. If you say 640K is all any computer will ever need, you know that's going to be wrong at some point, right? And in the internet age, no one ever forgets. No genre ever dies. Almost no certainty ever goes forever without being disproven. So talk about what is, not about what will always be. This will give you much firmer ground to stand on and make you look less wrong. All absolutes have exceptions. Even this one. And when it comes to genres, this is even more true. Genres don't die away completely. They might get smaller, they might transform, they might evolve so much that they're barely recognizable, but they always linger around. And in a world that includes more and more different avenues for games, genres have a tendency and an ability to find new markets, new audiences, new platforms in which to flourish. So think about that before you tell everyone that the genre that they love is dead, because all you're doing is breeding a group of passionate people who hate you now and are going to spend their time trying to prove you wrong. And you don't need that. Now, if you don't care because your stocks are all going to vest in 24 months, so by the time you're wrong, you'll already be out, then I guess you can just ignore everything I just said and say whatever you want. But if you plan to be doing this for a while, maybe don't start establishing your reputation as being someone who talks about big, certain things about the game industry and then ends up being wrong. Anyway, ever helpfully, Mark. And a special thanks to my members who keep this channel running. If you'd like information on how to become a member, there's a link down in the description. If you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up. I will see you again soon. Thank you.